How's it going, YouTubers? It's me, AMR. Welcome to my unboxing video of Lenovo 100 stereo analog headset. Now, these headsets are mostly used for work from home jobs where you are working in a call center environment, and they are basically for that. However, the AMR is also going to test it for gaming and live streaming, because their microphones, dude, they are something else. Not gonna lie, they are. But anyways, here's the information on the pack right there. You can pause the video, have a read. On the side, there is nothing there. On this side, it shows what it looks like at the bottom, and then it's a huge load of technical specialities there. I've got really bad hay fever, so I'm not going to read anything out. You can just pause the video, have a read of all the important information. Now then, these cost about 50 quid, right? On the Lenovo website at the moment, it was on a flipping sale for £5, man. Seriously, and you can't go wrong for a £5. Plus, if this is anything like my headphones that I used to use at work, the microphone, dude, is crisp clear, man. So let's go. I'm going to be live streaming later on today, and that's what's going to demonstrate this headphones microphone quality. For the sound, I do not advise at all use it for the sound, because I doubt the sound is any good. Seriously, for listening to music and stuff. To be honest with you, I'm not going to say anything. Because I haven't even used it. But these, like I said, these are mostly used for like Teams and Team Chat and Google Chat, or whatever it's called, man. Your meeting chat, dude. Have I just slipped my finger open? No, I almost did. Well, we'll find out in the video if it starts bleeding. But yeah, it's for all those situations. So mostly used for like video calls, conferences, and meetings. Let's get right into it and open it. You know what? This, oh my days, that broke my heart. Seriously, as if I don't know. I don't like it and failed unboxing, but you know what? Dude, that looks amazing. I'm loving the quality already. You know a product is quality when the boxing is perfect. I mean, they could have just shoved it in there in a plastic bag, but these guys have literally put a whole design out there, man. And look at it, it's really neatly packed. You got some information out there as well. So it does look like a quality product. I mean, of course, if I bought this without and sale, it cost 50 quid, and I would be expecting something good out of it. So here we go. And there it is. There it is. Dude, it's nice, man. It's nice. So anyways, let's get that out. Instructions. Who looks at instructions? I'm sorry, guys. Those that you do, you're amazing people. I mean, even I look at instructions, but things as simple as this, I don't think anyone looks at instructions. It's all cool there. The headphones are here. There is the AUX lead. Dude, that is secured like a flipping bank vault right there. Let me just quickly unsecure it. Dude, that is one sticky ass tape, man. There we go. That is sticky. That stuck there. That yellow stuck there. It's like yellow for a reason. It's just showing you that it's flipping Super Saiyan right behind the box. Right, not gonna ever go inside the box again, because that's scary stuff. Right, here are the headphones. Looking nice, fresh, dude. Fresh. I mean, nothing to show off people about. I doubt you'll go out in the gym wearing these, but dude, I love the texture of that. So smooth. You got sponges here, so these are perfect for your work scenario. And these are so soft. Your 8-hour shift, you won't have any problem with that. It's so soft, dude. All this rubber bit is so soft. The mic here, that's the main business. That's the main talking point of that. The mic, and you got these. They can adjust them, like, dude. Yep. For a big-headed person like me, these will be perfect. Now, let's put them back down. And here is the bag. Let's get it like so. And there we go. So, AUX cable. And we also got this cable for those that accept the mic and the headphones separately for the PC towers, I'm guessing. You can just plug it in like that and do your thing. Now, that's it, guys. That's it for these headphones. Mostly used for work, but the AMR is going to test them in a live stream, see the mic quality, because I think the mic quality is going to be out of control. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to smash some comments. Don't forget to smash some likes. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Take care of yourselves. Peace out, man.